Ashwita Nalla, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ashwita, please read second bit.
How
Bit B.
many?
Yeah.
How many
Equal
equal parts
does.
does the wheel have?
Yes. So second bit is how many equal parts does the wheel have? So children, you have to count these parts like 1, 2, 3, like this. Yes, Ashwita, count and tell me how many parts are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
9.
9 parts are there. So we will write 9 in this blank space. Good. That's correct. There are 9 equal parts. Okay, fine. Supratik, unmute yourself and read second question in bit B. Supratik, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, please read second question in bit B.
this ma'am.
Color.
8.
Yes, Supratik. Color.
0, ma'am.
Supratik, read that question. Read, look at your screen. Read this, which I have underlined. Read it, come on. Color.
Color
Yes. Then
O N
1.
N
O-N-E-1.
1
Then.
T double
If you are unable to read it from screen, then read it from your book, no problem. 1, then. Yes, then Supratik. N-I-N-T-H, ninth.
9 P A R T
Part.
part O F O I T E
Color 1/9 part of it. Now read it.
color color it 9 part
Color 1/9 part of it. Okay. Now Supratik, we have to color 1/9 part of it. What do you mean by 1/9? Out of 9, how many you will color?
out of 9
They said color 1/9 part of it. So out of 9 parts, how many you will color?
1
Yes. How many?
1 part, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yes, children, they said color 1/9 part of it. This means that out of 9 parts, you will color only 1 part. Are there? Start doing now. Yes, children, so you will color only 1 part of it. Please color 1 part of it. Only 1 part you will color. So you can color any 1 part of it. It's your choice. Okay. Done. Now, next, bit C. We have bit C now. Oh, Shreyas and Srimant are there in school. Good. Okay. Shreyas, unmute yourself and read first question in bit C. Shreyas, do you know from where you have to unmute? Okay, ma'am is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Shreyas, read this first bit in bit C. First question.
How many
Triangles
triangles are have
given.
given in the
Have is not there. Given in the hmm,
win
wheel.
with
Wheel. Only this much. Shreyas, you have to read this question. How many triangles are given in the wheel? Read it again.
how many triangles are there
Are given.
given
There is not there.
given in the heat
Wheel. Okay. Now,
wheel.
Shreyas, count and tell me how many triangles are there. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, very good. So how many triangles are there, children? You can count them one by
8.
one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's correct. Very good, Shreya. So there are 8 triangles in the wheel. So we will write here 8. Good. Okay, Shrimant. Shrimant, you read next question in bit C. This question, I have underlined this. This question you have to read now. Next question in bit C.
Mm,
What? WH80. What?
WHAT. What
Hmm?
fraction
Good.
of triangle is black in color?
Good. Question is, what fraction of triangles is black in color? Okay. Now, Srimant, you tell me total how many triangles are there?
Yes.
8. And out of these 8, how many are black in color?
1.
1. So what we will do, we will write that 1. We will write 1. After writing this 1, we will draw a line. We will draw a small line below this 1. Okay. And total number of triangles are 8. So we will write that 8 below this line. Fine. Yes. Now, Shriman, tell me how you will read this. How you will read the answer. What is the answer, Shrimant?
8.
You 1 upon
Yeah.
8. How you will read it?
1 upon 8.
Read it again.
1 upon 8.
Yes, you can read it as 1 upon 8 or 1 by 8. Is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, you should know how to read it. Okay, you can go back, Srimant. Okay. Nitya Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, bit D.
Okay.
First question of bit D.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
How many
Yes, how many
equal parts
parts?
does the wheel have?
How many equal parts does the wheel have? Now count and tell me how many equal parts are there, Nityasri?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, ma'am.
8. Okay, children, if you will observe this last picture carefully, all parts are not equal, But since they in the second part they have given a color 2/8 of it, 2/8 part of it, so we will consider all these parts equal. So according to Nityashree, there are 8 parts, and yes, that's correct. So there are 8 equal parts, so we will write here 8. Okay, good. Now what you have to do is, okay, Hanvika,
Ma'am,
read last question.
how many equal parts does the wheel have?
This already done.
Color 2 upon 8 part of it.
This is 2/8 part of it. Okay, fine. So color 2/8 part of it. Now, what do you mean by 2/8 part? Out of 8, how many you will color?
2, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children. They said color 2/8 part of it. 2/8 part of it. This means out of 2, you will color, sorry, out of 8, you will be coloring any 2 part of it. So let's color any 2 part of it. 1 and 2. You can color any 2 part of it. Okay, it's up to you. And don't forget to write date in classwork. Today date is 4th of March. Okay. I'll give you 30 seconds to complete your work. After that, you all have to take out your math notebook. Those who have already completed, please take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Yes, children, those who have completed, please take out your math notebook, write date and classwork. Adya. Okay, fine. I hope you all have completed your work till now. So I'm clearing the screen. Okay. Yes, children, after writing date and classwork in your math notebook, you will leave one line. You will leave one line and then you will start writing. First bit. Okay, so what I will do is look at your screen, then I will tell you. First, look at your screen, children. Okay. Suppose I have written here 2/5. Okay. I have written here 2/5. So what you will do? You have to see the first word. First word is 2 here, right? First word is 2 here. So what you will do? You will write 2. Okay. After that, what you will do? You will draw a small line below this 2. Fine. Now, the second word is 5th. After this hyphen, the second word is 5th. So what you will do? Below this line, you will write here 5. Because the second word is 5th. 5th means 5. So we will write that 5 below that line. Okay. 2/5 means 2 upon 5. You should know how to read it. It means 2 upon 5. Okay. And what do you mean by 2 upon 5? 2 upon 5 means out of 5, you are talking about 2 parts. Out of 5 parts, you are talking about only 2 parts. Okay. Yes, Dhriti Rathi.
Ma'am, we have to write this in our notebook.
Yes, yes, you have to write this in your notebook. I repeat that you will read the first word. First word is 2 here. So first of all, you will write 2. After that, you will draw a small line. Then after that hyphen, next word is fifth. Fifth means 5. So below this line, you will write here 5. So the fraction is 2 upon 5. How you will read it? You will read it as 2 upon 5. Okay. And what do you mean by 2 upon 5? 2 upon 5 means out of 5 parts, you are talking about 2 parts. Okay. Out of 5, you are talking about 2 parts. Okay. Then you will leave one line and you'll write the next one. 3 7th. 3 7th. Okay. Next one is 3 7th. Please write correct spelling, children. Anik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anik Sai, what is the first word?
First word is 3, ma'am.
So what we will write here?
3.
3. Very good. So we will write here 3. After that, what we will do?
Line.
Yes, we will draw a small line. Yes. And then below this line, what we will write?
7.
Very good. Yes, children, after that hyphen, word is 7th. So below this line, we will write here 7. So what is the fraction, Anik? Read it.
7 upon
Uh-huh.
7.
Anvika, please sit at one place.
7. 3
Yes.
upon 7.
Very good, Anik. That is 3 upon 7. Good. So out of 7 parts, we are talking about how many parts? Out of 7, we are talking about how many parts, Anik? Yes, Anik. Above that line, what is the number?
3, ma'am.
So out of 7 parts, we are talking about only
3.
3 parts. Yes. Okay. Now leave one line and write the next. One fourth. This is 1/4. You should read and then you should write. Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me what will be the answer.
1/5.
1/4.
4.
Yes, answer will be 1/4. So first we will write here 1. Then what we will do, Jay?
By
We will
4.
draw a small line. Then
4.
below this line, we will write here 4, not 4th. Okay, we will write here
4.
4. And what is the answer now? Read it.
1/4.
Very good. It is 1/4, or you can say 1/4. Both are correct. So out of 4 parts, we are talking about only. Yes, Jay, we are talking about how many parts? Jay,
4.
out of 4 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
1.
Yes, we are talking about only 1 part. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Yes, children, leave one line and write the next. Yes, Pathan.
Ma'am, there is network problem, ma'am. That's why I joined now only.
Okay.
Where we have to write this?
Okay, no problem. You have to write this in your notebook. Pathan, this
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to write in your notebook. Yes. Okay. Aditya Ram, please unmute yourself and read next question. Bit D. Aditya?
Two-thirds is equal to
Yes, 2/3 is equal to
2 and 3.
and
2
3.
by 3. 2 by 3.
Very good. Yes, you should know how to read it. This is 2 by
3.
3. Very good. 2 by 3. So out of 3 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
2 parts.
Good. So we are talking about 2 parts out of 3. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Now next. Let's bit E. Okay. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devansh. Now read fifth question, fifth bit.
Ma'am, 1/9.
1/9. Okay. So what we will write here? What will be the fraction now?
1 and 9.
1 and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh, first we will write 1, then we will draw a line, and below this line, what we will write?
9.
So you will read it as 1 and 9. Is this correct?
No, ma'am.
How you will read it?
1-9.
1/9.
9.
Read it.
1/9.
1/9. Or you can say 1/9. Okay? Yes, Devansh, is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it again. Tell me what is the answer.
1/9.
Yes, 1/9 or 1/9. Fine. Yes, children, now you have to write next bit. If you have space on the same page, then continue there only. Otherwise, you can take new page. Next, write bit F. I am writing it beside bit A, but you will write it in next page. Your work should be neat and clean. Okay? I repeat that if you have space on the same page, then you can continue there only, leave one line and then write the next bit. But if you don't have sufficient space, then please start writing in the next page. That is bit F. Okay. Okay. CA Shreyan, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Shreyan, now read next question, bit F. Shreyan. CA Shreyan. Shreyan, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read bit F.
F.
Yes, 3.
3/6.
Read that question first and then tell the answer.
3/6.
Okay, question is 3/6. So what will be the answer?
3/6.
Very good. So answer will be 3/6. That's correct. Supratik, please pay attention and start writing. So answer will be 3/6. That's correct. Good. So out of 6 parts, we are talking about how many parts, Shreyam?
3.
Yes, very good. So out of 6, we are talking about only 3 parts. That's correct. Okay. Now leave one line and write next question. That is bit G. And please write correct spelling. Priyansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next bit.
1/8.
1.
1/8.
Answer is correct, but
Upon
first read the question.
1.
1.
1/8.
Yeah, question is 1/8. So what will be the answer? 1.
1/8.
Yes, answer will be 1
Upon
upon 8. That's correct. Good. So out of 8 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
1 part.
Yes, out of 8, we are talking about only 1 part. That's correct. Okay. Fine. Now leave one line and write next bit. That's bit H. Aslan.
Yes, ma'am.
Aslan, read next question. Bit H.
3/5. 3/5.
Yes, it's 3/5. So what will be the answer?
3/5.
3 upon 5.
Yes.
What will be the answer, Aslan?
3/5.
Yes, answer will be 3 upon 5. Okay, so out of 5 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
Ma'am,
Out of 5 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
1.
See, question is 3/5. So out of 5, we are talking about only 3 parts. Okay? Yeah. So whatever number we are writing above the line, we are talking about that many parts. So we are talking about only 3 parts here. Okay. Next question. Advaita,
Yes, ma'am.
next question. Bit I. Huh?
1/6.
Okay, it's 1/6. Very good. So what will be the answer?
1/6.
Very good. So answer will be 1 upon 6. That's correct. So out of 6 parts, we are talking about how many?
1
Very good. Yes, out of 6 parts, we are talking about 1 part. Very good, Advaita. That's correct. Okay. Now next. Pathan,
Yes, ma'am.
last bit. Bit J.
Ma'am, we have to write 3.
First, read the question.
3/4.
3/4. Very good. So what will be the answer?
3.
First, we will write.
3.
Okay.
3.
Then
Dash.
we will draw a small line below 3. Then
4.
we will write here 4. So what is the answer? Read this fraction.
3/4.
3/4, or you can say, okay, 3/4 is fine, but yeah, it is 3/4, or you can say 3 upon 4. Fine. So out of 4 parts, we are talking about how many parts?
Out of 4 parts, how many
What is the number? Yeah, very good. So the number which is above the line, we are talking about that many parts. That's correct answer, Pathan. So out of 4, we are talking about only 3 parts here. Okay, fine. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone who is still writing? Okay, Pathan. Okay, fine. One more. Riyansika is also writing. Okay, children, I'll give you 30 seconds. Complete this. Complete it. And I hope you all remember that after every bit, you need to leave one line. Yes, done. Padhan, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Riyansika, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now you all have completed this. So I am clearing this now.